Hello everyone. I hope all are doing great. Subscribe for more videos for to check it out on D365FO. And today we are going to learn about the how to add Power App or in any applications which is related to the Power Platform. So let's say there is a Canvas app which you have created the application and you wanted to add that application here in our D365F&O. Okay, in simple terms, if you want to add any Power application, I mean app to the D365F&O, how we are going to do it? Okay, let's say this is one form. Okay, now I wanted to add a Power App. Here, if you can see here on the right side, there is an icon called a Power Apps. Okay, click on that Power Apps icon and you will be able to, see one button here, add an app. Okay, click that button and you can just give name according to your requirement. And whenever you create the application in Canvas app or Canvas app, let's take Canvas app. So after publishing it, you will be able to see the app ID for that application which you have created. Okay, so you have to copy that application ID and paste it here. Okay, so this is input context for the application, so you can just give whatever the context which is required for you. And after that, application size. Okay, you have a different size. One is a thin and wide application size. And once after filling the details, you can just insert it. Okay, once you insert it, here is the area where you will be able to see the Canvas app and completely the details and all the screens which you have created in the Canvas. You can able to see everything. Okay, so this is how look you can add the Power application in D365 F&O. Thank you guys.